to the world of iRobot. I have an M6 and this is the wet mop that we use for cleaning the room. And of course we have the dry mop as well, which is white in color over here. The difference, the problem is that after a few use or not, you have to throw it away because it gets very dirty and it's not easy to clean because all the dirt is stuck away and you have to wash this thing. So this is a simple hack to help you get rid of that problem by turning this into something like this using this. What you have here is you can get it from this 100 yen shop. I got mine from Daiso. You can use a black one or white one. The zips that actually have a sticker behind them that you can just paste on. But make sure you use the side with hooks and not the furry side. This is the furry side. Or you should be using the side with hooks. The side with hooks that allow you to hook on the wet tissue later or when dry tissue. You just need to cut them to appropriate sizes and place them like this. And when you're done that, just take a normal piece of disposable wet or dry tissue for wet mopping or dry mopping your floor and just place them in the center like this. Okay, place them in the center, fold it in both ways, tuck it, and they will actually at the side, they will actually stick. See, they will actually stick. In the center, you just need to fold them in so that it lies properly. Tuck them properly, this is what it looks like. And you just slot it into the iRobot the same way you do for the M6. And when it's up and down dirty, you can just remove this shit and throw this shit away, all ready for a new job.